Hello, today I'm going to show you how to zoom the awesome HUAWEI P30 Pro. Here we are. Here you can see this is 200 or 300 meters far away. And we are zooming in up to optical 10 times. Now it is a digital zoom. Here you can see up to 50% or 50 times. Wow, this is awesome. Set the focus and you can see this is the awesome look view with this HUAWEI P30 Pro. This you can see a far away thing in your camera thing or screen on your smartphone. This is awesome. I never seen before. Now let's go to my Apple device and zoom into. This is not so nice. Really nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.